In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display section. Now scroll down to click on Display Size and Text over here. And last but not least, operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!